Hey, this is Brandon. You're watching the podcast where I solve every leak code daily and I get it on one line. What do we got today? How is it 3 here? Oh, it's just k is less than... Oh, this is way simpler than I thought it was. X is that, and then we're also going to have like the identity mask, so to speak. The identity element, if you're anding, y equals 1 to the... This is just going to be called n, and this is going to be called a. 1 to the n minus 1. Y is 3. That seems right. I think I might not want to use a reduce, because what I'm going to do is like take a reduce. The whole thing's 3. You XOR it, you get 0. You XOR it, you get 1. You XOR it, you get 0. You XOR it, you get 0, but it doesn't matter. But I could just go the other way and then reverse at the end. So it's going to be something, : -1. Right now I'll say res, : -1, because it's been a tough last few days with these. So y is that, res is that. For x and a, I also want x, I think. X equals 0. For z in a, x XOR equals z, res dot append x XOR y, right? You're just getting all the 0 bits. That's all you really want to do. But you got to watch out, because I think maximum bit, no, never mind. I was specifically going to say this might not be the case, but they specifically say it is the case. It's also weird that they say it's in ascending order. Okay. Yeah, this should be quite easy. So let's get this loop on one line. So res is going to be list map, but I think it's really going to be not map, accumulate. And then it's actually really easy. It's just a, and then the function is XOR, right? And then I need to say res equals map res. And what it's going to be is something like lambda x XOR 1 to the n minus 1. I wonder if I could say reversed. No. Okay, we got this. So now if I just get rid of the lambda, that's going to be partial XOR and this. Yeah, because XOR is associative, so it doesn't matter what order you do. Okay, res is this, and now I'll pop that right in there. I don't have any use for x or y anymore. Let's put res right there. Okay, and to save one character, I think it's a couple characters, we'll do that. There it is. It's pretty clean. Thanks for watching.